Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just got these in the mail today. They are the AirPods Pro wireless charging case included. So it's been a while. I think actually this is the first recording I'm going to be doing of 2020. So let's dive right into it. Obviously, as you can see, they're the AirPods Pro. Apple logo on this side. On the back, AirPods Pro, shipping info. Sorry, I should say product info. We're on there. The other side, another Apple logo. Bottom, product information. Top, AirPods Pro. Let's put that right side up. So they have a little pull tab here. It makes it much easier to open up the products. So just rip that right off. Open it out. We won't need that, so put that to the side for now. And just lift them up. All right. Nothing on the designed by Apple in California. I'm sure manufactured in China. Little paperwork in here. Any Apple stickers? Probably not. No. You spend over $300 Canadian and you don't get Apple stickers. That's okay. We don't use them anyways. Put that to the side. That also. And there they are. Just lift them up. Take off the cellophane. Everybody loves hearing this. Oh, almost dropped them. Not even 20 seconds old and already dropped almost. Okay. Put that down for a sec. Maybe try and close that up. Try and keep things neat. We'll put these to the side for a second. Just want you to see them real quick. Okay, put them there for now. Just see what's in the rest of the unboxing. There's a little pull tab, a little lift tab, I should say. Take that off. And these, I believe, are the tips, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are. So they're the different size tips that come with it. You have the smalls and the large. They normally have yes, they do. It's kind of hard to see a little bit there, but you can see S and L, so small and medium. Sorry, small and large. Put that there for now. Oh, how did they do it? Just like that? Something like that. That's all right. And what is this? This is a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. We've seen these on newer products. I'm pretty sure the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I did. No, it doesn't. Sorry. As far as I can remember, it's the iPad Pro that comes with a USB Type-C cable. I don't know why I put that back in there. And that's it. That's all in the box. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in here. And just open up, and they're going to be in pairing mode. And they're going to be looking for the iPhone, which I'll have here, and getting ready to set it up. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching the unboxing. Oh, there we go. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.